Subscribe to Movie Learnings and click on the bell icon to get notification on all new travel videos.
1. When you're in what seems like a negative situation, find what's good. If you've had a setback, stumbled or failed, then things might look bleak, and so negative thoughts may start to crop up and threaten to fill your view of this situation. Questions that will help you to feel better but also to learn so you can grow. Questions like, what's one good thing about this situation? What's one thing I can do differently the next time to likely have a better outcome? What's one thing I can learn from this? How would my friend and family support and help me in this situation? 2. Reminder: people don't care that much about what you say or do. It's easy to fall into negative thoughts when you think about what people may say or think if you do or do not do something. Getting stuck in your head and in thoughts like that will drag you further away from what you want and from reality, because the truth is that people don't have that much time, attention or energy to think or talk about what you do. They have their hands and minds full with their kids, jobs, pets, hobbies and their own fears and worries. This realization and reminder can help you to set yourself free from the constraints you may create in your own mind and help you to start taking small or bigger steps towards what you deep down want in your life. 3. Let it out and talk it over. Keeping negative thoughts that are starting to cloud your whole mind bottled up won't help. So let them out. Talk the situation or your thoughts over with someone close to you. Just venting for a few minutes can often help you to see the situation in new light. Or if not, then a conversation about it where the two of you find a more useful perspective and perhaps the start of an action plan can be both relieving and recharging. 4. Live in and come back to this moment. When you're tapping into negative thinking, then you're often thinking about something that happened, or something that may happen, or both, all jumbled up as your mood and thoughts sink. To snap out of that, put your attention fully into this moment instead, into what's here right now. Start making it a habit to spend more of your time in the present moment, and you'll, in my experience, naturally have less negative thoughts and be more open and constructive. Enjoy each and every single movement of life. A few ways to add positivity to someone's life is 1. Be kind. Give him a genuine compliment. Hold up the door or let him into your lane while driving your car. 2. Help out. Give her some good advice that have helped you, or help out with moving houses or planning and preparing for the party next weekend. 3. Just be there. Listen for a few minutes in a focused way as he vents, or talk his difficult situation over to help him to start finding his way out of it. Thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel with family and friends. Keep watching.